Hi kids, how are you all? Welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to draw a beautiful rainbow lip. So let's start drawing. You have to just follow me step by step. So let's start drawing and coloring. Draw, learn and paint with me. Happy drawing! So kids, my drawing are ready. So let's start coloring. I will use yellow first. Yellow color, yellow color. The next color is red color. Red color. The third color is pink color. Pink color. Pink color. My fourth color is green color, light green color. The color combination looks so great and beautiful. Green color. My last color is peach color. Wow, the color combination is looking so great. Our beautiful rainbow lip ready. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.